Ever dream of financial freedom? Imagine building wealth without the headaches of traditional real estate. Land investing offers a compelling alternative, a path less traveled towards financial security. It's an opportunity to own a tangible asset, a piece of the earth itself. From agricultural empires to bustling cityscapes, land provides the foundation for prosperity. Investing in land is investing in the future, securing a stake in a finite resource. Land investing is the acquisition of vacant land for future appreciation or development. Buy land, hold it, and potentially sell it at a profit. This can involve raw, undeveloped land, agricultural land, or land zoned for commercial or residential use. The simplicity of land investing is one of its greatest appeals. No tenants, no repairs, and no property taxes in certain jurisdictions. This low-maintenance approach is attractive for busy professionals or passive investors. Land investing can be as hands-on or hands-off as you choose. One of the most compelling advantages of land investing is its low-maintenance nature. Unlike traditional rental properties, there are no toilets to fix, no roofs to repair, and no tenants to manage. This frees up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life or investment portfolio. Another key benefit is the lower initial investment cost compared to developed properties. Land typically requires a smaller upfront investment than purchasing a house or commercial building. This lower barrier to entry makes land investing accessible to a wider range of investors, even those with limited capital. Land also offers the potential for long-term appreciation. As populations grow and land becomes scarcer, the value of well-located land tends to increase over time. This makes land a powerful hedge against inflation, preserving your purchasing power in the face of rising prices. Furthermore, land provides a sense of security and tangible ownership. You own a physical piece of the earth, a tangible asset that represents a solid investment. This provides a level of stability and control that can be particularly appealing in uncertain economic times. Land flipping, a dynamic strategy within land investing, involves buying land with the intention of reselling it quickly for a profit. This approach capitalizes on market fluctuations, identifying undervalued parcels and selling them at a higher price in a short time frame. Successful land flipping requires careful market analysis and due diligence. Understanding local market trends, identifying areas with growth potential, and accurately assessing land values are crucial for maximizing profits. It's a fast-paced approach that rewards those who can identify and capitalize on opportunities swiftly. While land flipping can be lucrative, it's important to approach it with a strategic mindset. Thorough research, accurate valuations, and a clear exit strategy are essential for mitigating risks and maximizing your chances of success. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a calculated approach that requires careful planning and execution. Land flipping offers the potential for significant returns in a shorter time frame compared to long-term landholding. It's an exciting strategy for those seeking a more active approach to land investing, leveraging market dynamics to generate profits. Land Investing 101. A beginner's roadmap. Starting with land investing can seem daunting, but it's more accessible than you might think. The first step is to define your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term appreciation or quick flips? This will guide your strategy and help you identify suitable properties. Next, conduct thorough research. Analyze market trends, research zoning regulations, and assess the potential for future development in your target area. Understanding the local market is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Secure financing if needed. While land typically requires a lower initial investment than traditional real estate, financing options are available for those who require it. Explore loan options specifically designed for land purchases. Finally, perform due diligence before closing any deal. This includes title searches, surveys, and environmental assessments to ensure there are no hidden issues that could impact the value of the land. Land versus traditional real estate. Weighing your options. Land investing offers a distinct set of advantages compared to traditional real estate options like residential or commercial properties. One key difference is the lower maintenance burden. With no tenants or structures to manage, land investment requires significantly less upkeep. Another advantage is the lower initial investment cost. Land typically requires a smaller upfront investment compared to purchasing a developed property, making it more accessible to a wider range of investors. Land also offers greater flexibility. You can hold it for long-term appreciation, develop it yourself, or resell it quickly for a profit. This versatility allows you to tailor your investment strategy to your individual goals and resources. However, land investing also presents unique challenges. Securing financing can sometimes be more difficult than with traditional real estate, and generating income from raw land can be limited until it's developed or sold. 2024, the dawn of a new era in land investment. Several factors converge to make 2024 a potentially opportune year for land investment. The increasing scarcity of land, coupled with population growth and urbanization, is driving up demand for this finite resource. This creates a favorable environment for long-term appreciation. Furthermore, the current economic climate, characterized by inflation and market volatility, makes tangible assets like land an attractive hedge against uncertainty. Land's inherent stability offers a sense of security in turbulent times. Technological advancements in land surveying, mapping, and data analysis are making it easier than ever to research and evaluate land investment opportunities. These tools empower investors with the information they need to make informed decisions. Finally, the increasing interest in sustainable living and eco-conscious development is creating new opportunities for land investment in areas focused on renewable energy, conservation, and environmentally friendly practices. Navigating the terrain: due diligence and risk mitigation. Due diligence is paramount in land investing. Thorough research and careful analysis are crucial for mitigating risks and maximizing your chances of success. Begin by conducting title searches to verify ownership and identify any liens or encumbrances. Next, obtain surveys to accurately determine the boundaries and topography of the land. This is essential for understanding the land's development potential and avoiding any boundary disputes in the future. Environmental assessments are crucial for identifying any potential environmental hazards or contamination that could impact the land's value or usability. This can include soil testing, water quality analysis, and assessments for hazardous materials. Finally, research local zoning regulations and development restrictions. Understanding the permitted uses for the land is essential for aligning your investment strategy with local regulations and avoiding costly surprises down the line. Diversification and portfolio building with land. Land investment can be a powerful tool for diversifying your investment portfolio. Adding land to a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets can help spread risk and potentially enhance overall returns. Land's inherent stability can act as a ballast during market fluctuations. Land can also complement other real estate holdings. Owning both developed properties and vacant land can create a synergistic effect, allowing you to leverage the appreciation potential of both asset classes. By strategically acquiring land in different locations and with varying development potential, you can further diversify your land holdings. This can help mitigate risks associated with specific market conditions or regulatory changes. Building a diversified land portfolio requires careful planning and analysis. Consider your overall investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions when selecting land parcels to add to your portfolio. The future of land, a legacy of growth. The future of land investment appears bright. As global populations continue to grow and urban areas expand, the demand for land will likely increase. This creates a fundamental driver of long-term appreciation. Technological advancements in areas like sustainable development, renewable energy, and precision agriculture are creating new opportunities for land investment. These innovations are transforming how land is used and managed, opening up exciting possibilities for investors. The increasing focus on environmental conservation and sustainable land management is also shaping the future of land investment. Investors are increasingly seeking opportunities to acquire and develop land in an environmentally responsible manner. As the world evolves, land will continue to be a finite and valuable resource. Investing in land today is not just about building wealth for yourself, but also about securing a legacy for future generations. Seizing the moment. Your path to land ownership begins now. The time to explore land investing is now. Whether you're seeking long-term appreciation, quick flips, or a way to diversify your portfolio, land offers a compelling opportunity to build wealth and secure your financial future. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Start by educating yourself about the basics of land investing. Research market trends, analyze potential investment locations, and connect with experienced land investors. Take the first step towards land ownership today. Explore available properties, connect with real estate agents specializing in land sales, and begin building your land investment portfolio. The potential of land awaits. Seize the opportunity and begin your journey towards financial freedom through the power of land investment.